Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, welcoming you to an exciting episode that takes you deep into the core of maintenance and reliability. Today we have Fred Schenkelberg, a seasoned reliability engineering and management consultant, sharing his extensive knowledge and experiences. Throughout this video, you'll gain insights into the best key performance indicators for maintenance operations. Listen to Fred's journey in the field and catch a glimpse of what the future holds for reliability. So let's get started. In this engaging session, we explore Fred's journey in the industry, his insights on the best KPIs for maintenance operations, and his thoughts on the future of reliability. Fred kicks off by sharing a fascinating story about how he was thrust into the reliability field. Imagine being handed a project to determine if a product would last 20 years with no prior knowledge of how to achieve that. That's exactly what happened to Fred when he was working as an R&D engineer. This challenge led him to a groundbreaking study that not only earned him a notable technical paper, but also sparked his passion for reliability. Fast forward, Fred discusses a significant project involving a self-regulating heating cable designed for longevity in harsh conditions. This product was intended to be embedded in concrete bridges in the Alps to facilitate snow melting without frequent replacements. The insights from this project not only secured the business deal, but revolutionized the company's testing and evaluation processes. Shifting gears, Fred emphasizes what reliability means to him personally and professionally. He narrates a compelling story about a sales engineer from Hewlett-Packard who faced a crisis of conscience when laptops she sold failed massively upon delivery. This story highlights the profound impact of reliability on business integrity and customer trust. On a lighter note, Fred shares that breaking things is a part of his job he particularly enjoys. It's not just about destruction, it's about understanding how things fail to prevent future failures. This leads us into a discussion about common misconceptions around mean time between failure, or MTBF, which Fred passionately advises against using as a reliability metric. He advocates for more meaningful metrics like uptime or availability, which provide clearer insights into operational efficiency. Looking towards the future, Fred envisions a shift in the reliability sector where understanding failure mechanisms becomes paramount. He stresses the importance of leveraging advanced tools and technologies, like the Internet of Things, to predict and prevent failures more effectively. For those eager to deepen their understanding of reliability, Fred suggests starting with the basics of common failure mechanisms and gradually exploring more complex scenarios. He recommends engaging with experienced professionals, utilizing online resources, and continuously seeking knowledge through reading and research. Fred's parting advice underscores the essence of curiosity and continuous learning in mastering reliability engineering. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, there's always something more to discover. To connect with Fred and access a wealth of reliability resources, visit his platforms like Exendo Reliability or follow him on LinkedIn. His insights and experiences are invaluable for anyone looking to enhance their understanding and application of reliability in their operations. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion. We've delved into Fred's journey, the importance of meaningful metrics in maintenance operations, and the future of reliability. Remember, continuous learning is key in mastering reliability engineering. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more episodes exploring the innovative world of maintenance and reliability.